I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Japanese style fried rice, like in the Japanese steakhouse. So I have 4 tablespoons of butter. You have to use real butter. A bunch, about 5 cloves of garlic. Dump them in. Smells amazing. Gonna move this around, making sure everything is nice and incorporated. And this is, I've watched this so many times being cooked in front of me that I already know the recipe. You know, they start with the butter. Now, diced onions. Dump them right in. And you can't forget the carrots. And you're just gonna cook this. This was half an onion and 1 carrot. We're gonna cook this until it's nice and soft. Now that they're nice and soft, I'm going to put in the cooked white rice. Just like this. And this is some leftover boneless pork that I did. Dump it right in. And we will combine everything together. While it's still cooking, you can make the heart-shaped design. Let's see. I don't know how to make that Mickey ear. Let's see. I've seen them so many times. Let's see. Lopsided Mickey. I don't know. Does it look like a Mickey? Yeah, it does. So we continue, just press it down so it could get nice and crispy. And we will add soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce. And this is my measurement. 2 swipes. And to make it, this is the secret taste, I think, is teriyaki sauce. So just mix this together. Oh, it already smells like it. And after it's incorporated, I'm going to add the egg, because I don't want the egg to turn dark. Like that. So I added the egg, and look at this. Tell me this is not Japanese style fried rice. Buen provecho.